Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies without vanilla extract. Don't worry if your pantry is missing this common ingredient. There are many fantastic ways to infuse your cookies with delightful flavors. We'll explore simple substitutions that will keep your sugar cookies tasting absolutely wonderful. You can still achieve that perfect balance of sweetness and aroma, ensuring your homemade treats are a hit with everyone. One of the most popular and effective substitutes for vanilla extract is almond extract. It's quite potent, so you'll want to use it sparingly. A good rule of thumb is to use about half the amount of almond extract as you would vanilla. For instance, if your recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla, use just 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. This will give your sugar cookies a lovely, slightly nutty, and sophisticated flavor. Another fantastic way to add flavor is by incorporating citrus zest. Freshly grated lemon or orange zest brings a bright, tangy, and aromatic quality to your cookies. Try adding about 1 teaspoon of zest for a noticeable lift. For a warmer, more comforting flavor, consider spices like ground cinnamon, nutmeg, or even a pinch of cardamom. These spices can transform your sugar cookies into a delightful, aromatic treat, perfect for any occasion. Regardless of your chosen flavor substitute, remember a few key baking tips for perfect sugar cookies. Always chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading and keeps your cookies beautifully shaped. Bake them until the edges are just lightly golden, usually for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on thickness. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before you start decorating. Enjoy your delicious, vanilla-free sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.